Okay, we're at Squirrel Cove here on Cortez Island, and it took us a while to pack up the kayaks because the tide's so far out. And we are getting ready to go here. The kayak there set up, and we're gonna head to see a waterfall now, and then find a place to camp. Okay, we're on West Redonda Island. I'm gonna camp here tonight, and before we do, we're gonna go see a waterfall about 7 kilometers from here, and we're gonna see that. It's in Teakerne Arm, and then come back and camp. Okay, we spent the night there in the Lewis Channel. We're still in the Lewis Channel here, paddling towards Refuge Cove on West Redonda Island. Gonna go get some lunch or something there. There's a little store, and then continue on to hopefully the Curme Islands in Desolation Sound if there's any space there. Okay, we just found our favorite beer here, so we are filling up.
Already dead. I wouldn't have killed one this big. Actually, I probably wouldn't, but...
Okay, we're heading to Unwin Lake today. We got to go into Tenedos Bay, just over behind me, and it's not too far from where we're camped. It's only about a 45-minute paddle, just a few kilometers. We took a day off yesterday and did nothing, basically. Just hung out, and now it's time to go get some a freshwater swim. Whoa!
Where is it?
It's right here.
Sound off, 1, 2.
We have a motor at the back. Your dog. He was looking for you on the camera. He was like,